Hello friends, this is my first video and I'm gonna show you all of my birds. First, I will start from this cage. I have two hogromas, one is male and one is female, and they are the kids. One is a red-eye hogroma and another I don't know. There are four babies in it. They are grown-ups now. Then I have an Enopide. The female is in the box. She has laid some eggs. Now there are three babies. They are, let me show you, they are cocktails, red eyes. Their parents are also in the box. Now there I have, some of them are red eyes budgies and some of them are common. I don't know them so much well. You can see all of them. Now there I have Enopide. It laid about 6 eggs and many of them were broken. Now we transferred. She got 2 babies, and my father transferred some of their babies. Their babies. Well, let me show you their babies too. There are 2 babies in it. They are alive. Yeah. Now let me show you. Oh, I have budgies. Female is in the box. Let me show you. And there's a female, and it's newly born baby. I think it has been born now. Yeah. And there are 3 Enopide babies. And let me see if anything. Oh, there's nothing in it. Guys, if I get about 2 or 3K views, then I will post a video and I will renovate all these pages and I will renovate all these cages, and we will move so many birds in it. It will be a huge video by me. And there I have 2 finches. Let me show you. Then there we have 2 burkeys. Now you can see them or not. There's a red eye. There's red eyes in there too. Now there I have 2. There are 2 red eyes there. This is a crested blue male. You can see there's a female. This is the baby, the male, and the female is in the breeding box. And there's a pair too. And there's a pair too. Now there I have a pair of Brazila. You can see from there. We have 4 turquoise. Then there I have 2 TCB exhibition, 6 red eyes Ogoromo, 1 Latino, Spangle, and Pine. Now there I have 4 splendid. There I have 2 ringnecks, yellow ringnecks, and I have 1 Rosilla, his female died. And there I have 2 green wing macaws, and there I have 5 fellow cocktails. There I have 8 Latino burkeys. Guys, I'm hoping that I will get some news. And there are 6 fellow cocktails in there, 5 Latinos in there, and there's all my setup. There are all their medicines. Guys, I'm telling you that they're not for sale. Guys, kept them all as pets. So guys, I'm hoping that I will get some views on it. We are gonna move all these hogromos and burkeys and fellow cocktails in that cages. You can see, and in that cages we were keeping lovebirds in it, 8 pairs. Now we are gonna, like, we have 4 splendids, 14 Hogoromos. We are going to buy four more Latino Hogoromos, and we have 14 budgies. They're gonna fit in that cages, and I am sure that I will post a video on that when we are going to do that, and I'm hoping that I will get some views on it. So guys,